how to delete an Instagram account. Okay, then go to your profile page and at the top of your settings and activity, go and click on account center. Then what you need to do is scroll down into account settings and go and click on personal details. On this page, you need to click on account ownership and control. And then what you can do is select deactivation or deletion. Here, you can choose the account you want to do this with, and you then need to choose if you want to deactivate or delete your account. Deleting is permanent and that's what you want to do. So I'll press continue. Choose a reason. This is going to be personal to you. Then what you need to do is re-enter your password. After you have entered your password, you will see this page here. It will give you a time limit to go and cancel this essentially. So if you're sure, click on delete account and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.